Good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101, and today we'll be talking about ContextLogic. A lot of you guys are not familiar with ContextLogic, but absolutely, ContextLogic is better known as Wish. I've used Wish for the past couple of 3 years, and for me, there are some good items on Wish, but for the most part, I'm an Amazon buyer, but they are in competition with Amazon. They have a new partnership with a French company that will essentially load 300,000 merchants from the French Quarter over there in France onto their platform. Now, currently in the past year, ContextLogic has been down almost 71%. And some of you are already asking yourself, Ross, why are you bringing this stock to us? It's not even showing like it's going to produce profit. Again, we need to be looking for the future and not the present times. Over the past 3 months, it's been down 17%. The past month, down 28%. The past week, up 7%. And then in the aftermarket, we're looking around 5.5%, almost 6%. Now, this is imperative that you guys understand that, again, ContextLogic is absolutely Wish. It's that Wish app. A lot of you guys should be familiar with Wish. I remember going on there buying shirts, buying little gadgets, buying little things. The only big difference, in my opinion, when it comes to the shipping is that Wish is coming directly from China and versus Amazon. These are things that are actually loaded in the Amazon warehouse. Now, Wish is actually expected to start to having warehouses in America, so shipping can be a lot quicker. They're trying to build that database. They're trying to build that network. All right, for you guys who are unfamiliar with ContextLogic, better known as Wish, it engages in the operation of online marketplace that includes Geek, Mama, How, Cute, and Joyful Shopping. The company was founded by Peter, that guy, and Danny Zhang in June 2010 and is headquartered in San Francisco. And ever since they started this company has been exponentially growing and growing and growing. And when they became in public, they needed some more money to actually branch out and extend some of their business ventures. Okay. Now look at this rating here on Robinhood. They're talking about buy at 63.6% and hold at 36.4% and zero sell. They're telling you guys to absolutely hold on to the stock and do not let it go. Good morning, Wendell. Now, when I'm looking at this and I'm looking at quarterly earnings, Q1 and Q2, they're pretty much moving sideways, okay? They're pretty much moving sideways. Now, to get a better picture at this, as we go over to Market Watch, and we're looking at them the past month, the past 3 months, and also year to date, they've been down, down, down. Now, am I expecting to Wish to turn it around? Absolutely. Now, right here on Market Watch, the analysts are saying, hold it, that you shall hold this particular stock. Going over to Yahoo Finance over the past 2 weeks for the performance outlook, it says down, midterm that is going to move sideways as well as long term. Now, far left here about overvalue. I do not believe that this stock is overvalued. Why am I saying that? Now, if we read this a little bit of this particular news report here, it says here that platform PrestaShop 2-year deal with French-based CMS will provide over 300,000 merchants with access to the Wish marketplace. And let's put this in very, very key terms. Through this partnership, I'm over here, 300,000 merchants and brands on the PrestaShop platform will be able to quickly and easily sell to millions of consumers on the Wish marketplace. Okay, they will have access to sell their products on the Wish marketplace. That is absolutely phenomenal. And believe me, PrestaShop will be paying Wish this money. So when we're looking at the projection, we're looking at the predicted forecast. We should be looking for this stock to at least double. Okay, right now we're looking at $7.08 per share. That this should at least get to around $14, $15 per share. Let's carry on. All right, as I go over to Zacks is saying sell. I do not agree with Zacks rating, okay? Just because I'm looking at the future potential and profitability of this stock. Do not sell this stock. You should be buying this stock. And here's another thing, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't want to buy, a large share, a large sum of these particular stocks, then buy a long call option. And I mean a long call at least a year out. You will make money off this stock. I can't give you any guarantees because we understand with the stock market, there's no guarantees. But I'm telling you, there's a high probability that you will make a lot of money off a long call option. Now, if you go and buy, hold some stocks, of course, you will make some money there if you buy it now, hold on to it, turns profit, and then sell it. You'll make profit there as well. But a long call option contract really doesn't make you liable. You don't really have any long-term obligations over than the year that you actually bought that call option, okay? So now, here's something that's very, very interesting. This is the stock forecast. It says that 9 analysts are offering 12-month price forecasts for ContextLogic, better known as Wish, have a median target of $8. Okay, right now the stock is only at $7. But again, they say a low target rating or a medium target rating of $8 with a high estimate of $19. If you look at the far right here, we're looking at the median around $8, and we're looking at a high around $19. Like I said, look for this stock to double. Right now it's at $7 per share. Look for it to go around $14 per share. So again, you double your money. Again, it's very imperative that you understand a dollar for dollar investment is stupendous. Is absolutely it's great. It's absolutely great. This thing about if someone gave you $500, they say, hey, in a month, I'm gonna give you $1,000. That means a dollar for dollar investment, 100% on your return. That's phenomenal. So I just wanted to make sure instead of just going to CNN, I want to go to somewhere else. So I went over to Tip Tricks. Okay, that's Tip Tricks ranks, and they're saying based on 10 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets for ContextLogic in the last 3 months, that the average price is around $9.81 with a high forecast of $19. Okay, I'm absolutely loving this. This is $19 over here at CNN. They have their own analysts, and then Tip Ranks is saying that the Wall Street analysts are saying a high forecast around $19. And I always give you this particular picture. Even if it doesn't reach its high analyst rating, what if it reached $10? What if you can make $3 off your $7 investment at $10 per share? Is that absolutely profitable for your portfolio? I believe so. So let's look at very quickly how some of these options will look if you were to buy these. Good morning, Jermaine Anderson. Let's look at these very quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and trade Wish options if you guys are using the platform Robinhood. We got buy, call, and then we have the expiration date at September 3rd. So of course, I want a long call option. So I'm gonna go all the way out to around, let's look at April. Okay, I'm gonna look at April very quick. Let me see how much an option will cost me there. So the current price, if you look at the top left here, it's $7.07. I definitely want to go down to the near price here. So this is looking like it's going to cost me around $206. Let's look at it. And again, this tool that's located on Robinhood is a prediction profit and loss tool. So they're telling me in order for me to make money off a $7 call option, that Wish will have to go up to $9.25. I'm okay with that, because I'm going to do a long-term option, okay? So again, I'm going to look at how much this is going to cost me. Yep, $206 per share. And it's important that when you guys are doing this, it's always a times 10 ratio, meaning that when you're looking at an option, and I'll show you again, if you're looking at this option that's $1.79, that's going to be $179. I'll just give you a quick example. This always times 10, okay? I mean, times 100, my bad, not times 10. Times 10 would just be $17. But anyway, right here, we see that it's $179. So that's imperative that you understand how much money you'll be in store for. Now, me personally, I'm not going to lie. I'm very, very tempted to buy a long call option out till April 14th of 2022. I don't think you should do anything less than this date right here. Okay, let me show you this one more time. We're looking at the expiration date. I know a lot of people like myself, me just being stupid when I was not used to this platform, I would just come on here, buy, call, and leave the expiration date, not even just recognizing what that date was for, when I was early into option trading. But now I want to make sure that I'm all the way out to April or even December, which is the last option, which will be the safest option. Let's look at that very quickly. I come down to $8 per share. That's going to cost me $270 per call, okay, per call option. Let's review it very quickly. Oh, they had me down here for 2. Okay, they had me down here for 2. Yeah. So again, that will only be $270, okay? Now, of course, I don't have enough buying power. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is Financial Literacy 101. And tomorrow night for my cigar talk, make sure you tell your friends and family. I'm going to pretty much build a competition. Not a competition. What did I call it? It's going to be a sort of a giveaway where I'm going to pay for someone's certification. Okay, but there's going to be some stipulation. There's going to be some guidelines and rules, meaning I'm going to pay for a certification that you want. Now, I'm going to do 3 of these. Okay, this is going to be the first. The first one, I will pay up a certification up to $500. The next one will be $750, and then the last one will be $1,000. Now, some of these stipulations, you guys really need to tune in to get the details because I'm still working on it. But basically, you're not going to just receive $500. No. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this money is going to your certification, okay? Meaning that there's a lot of practice tests. Like, take, for instance, you want to do C++, A+, you want to be electrician, plumber, etc. We're going to run you through a practice test. And if you pass that practice test, we're going to call into where you're going to take that certification, and we're going to pay for it up to $500 for the first one, the second one up to $750, and for the last one up to $1,000. So essentially, there will be no money sent to you. But if you're true about you obtaining certification so you can make yourself more marketable, then this is a great thing for you. But you're going to have to work for it, because when you go into this practice test, we want to make sure that you prepared and that you put your time, you put your blood, sweat, and tears in this. And then when you go and take that test and we pay for it, you can have the certification that you've been working for. But this is what we're trying to build right here on Financial Literacy 101, giving back to the subscribers, giving back to the people. So make sure you let your friends, family, and other people that you know that watch this channel know about this competition who may profit from you. And maybe you want a certification. And here's another guideline. There will be no limit as far as how many times you will win. There will be no limit, okay? Oh, well, you won the first certification at $500, and then, well, you can't apply for the second one. No, you can apply for each and every one. If one person win each and every one, then so be it. That is the person who absolutely wanted it the most. Again, this is Financial Literacy 101. Learn money and be inspired. Have a great and wonderful Monday. Good morning time. Rewind the video and watch it, my brother. I'm out.